change, I'm gonna give it to her. 40. Uy, nanay mo. Nanay mo, sinusundo ka na. Oh no, we need to take the pedestrian for safety purposes, you know. Uy, dito tayo tumawid sa pedestrian. Kapag nabangga tayo, may bayan. Diba? Dean, come on, let's talk. I'll explain everything. Please. Black ka ngayon. Explain ka pa. Explain mo sa bato. My grandma's turning 102 this year. It's because they live a very healthy life. No cigars, no kids, no alcohol. Yung lola ko mag-102 years na this year. If ko may lahi atang aswang, di ka napapasa yung bato.